Hey, this is Kim at Affordably Crafty, and I have a deal alert on yarnfactoryoutlet.com right now. It is going until July 18th. So hi if you're new here, my name is Kim, and my channel is all about stretching your craft dollar by being affordably crafty. And today I have some deals on the yarnfactoryoutlet.com store that I would like to share. I am not affiliated with Spinrite or the Yarn Factory Outlet, just so you guys know. I just like to share good deals when they come up. And yeah, let's, like, subscribe, hit the notification bell so you don't miss any deals, and share with your friends if you want to share these great deals. All right, let's see what we got. Deal alert on yarnfactoryoutlet.com. The Spinrite factory. Celebration time, Bernat Blissful. Was $7.99 per bag, now $3 per bag, 3 balls. This flash sale ends July 18th. Purple Potion, Inky Teal, Marine Green, Tapestry, Midnight Mist, and Ruby. So that's Bernat Blissful. Next one. Bernat Harmony was $6 per ball, now $1 per ball. Only one color, Ultra Pink. 100% acrylic, 216 yards. To 5 bulky. Bernat Viva was $7 per bag, now $2 per bag. So that's 3 balls for $2. Only one color, Chartreuse. This is an 85-yard ball, 6 super bulky. Next one, Cozy Wool Marls was $24 per bag, now 9, 3 balls per bag. In the colors Oasis, Bittersweet, Sunnyside, and Very Cherry. 50% acrylic, 50% wool, 90 yards, 6 super bulky. Next one, Cozy Wool Mars was $24 per bag, now $9 per bag. There's 6 balls in this bag, not 3 like the other one, so it's 6 for $9. Only one color, Spring Meadow. 48% acrylic, 32% nylon, 10% wool, and 10% mohair. 143 yards, number 5 bulky. Christmas in July. Save on your favorite yarns. That's membership corner. So they also have this, which I'm not sure if it's in person or not. 5 to 10 balls, 10%. 11 to 20 balls, 20%. Over 21 balls, 30%. Mill end sale and sale items are not applicable. So these sale items up here don't count towards that. But what you're going to do is you are going to call or email your order. This is the email, info@yarnfactoryoutlet.com, and that is where you send your order to. Or you can call when they're open. This is the number, 1-855-900-3951. They are open 10 to 5 Monday to Saturday. Okay, guys, I hope you jump on this deal. It looks like a pretty good one. See you here again, and if you like deal alerts, make sure you like this post, hit the subscribe button, hit the notification bell so you don't miss anything, and share. All right, have an awesome day. Bye.